75 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18, 3 times 7 21, 3 times 8 24, 3 times 9 27. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 3 21. This process will continue. 3 goes into 7 how many times? 3 times 9, 2 times 6, 2 times 3 6. Subtract 1, bring down this 5. 3 goes into 15 how many times? 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 15. Subtract 0. As our remainder is 0, so we are done. 25 is our answer.